Hello guys, it's me again. My daughter called and just uh, ruined my whole video, so let's start it over again. Maybe this time, I hate putting my phone on Do Not Disturb because you don't know what might happen. The way this world is, anything can happen within a second, you know? So I don't put my phone on Do Not Disturb. And I'm recording with my phone today. My camera is on charge, so yeah. Um, so let's go ahead and give the Lord some praise for allowing us to see another day that was not promised to you or I. And for that, we need to tell him thank you because somebody somewhere didn't wake up this morning, but the Almighty God allowed us to. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up, we're going to cut it a little short. Be quiet. My dogs, they be quiet until I get to doing something, and then they go whining. And they know it's raining outside. But anyway, let's get on into this Dollar Tree haul because, hey, I don't want this video to be stopped again, okay? So I picked up me a container. Usually when I go in there and I go to grab this one thing and end up with many, I grab one of these to put my stuff in. So I grabbed this container. I also grabbed a couple of mugs. I grabbed this white one right here. I grabbed this black and white one right here. And somewhere down up in there is another one, I think. I grabbed the red one. If it's not over here, I grabbed the red one. And I grabbed these two jump ropes right here because I want to DIY me a sign to go up there somewhere. So I grabbed these jump ropes. I also grabbed me a vase because I thought it was cute. I grabbed me some of these sheer fresh containers, the circle ones. It has 3 in there, and you can't beat these. 3 for $1 is a steal. I also grabbed me some rectangular ones. 3 in here, and I already had to use one, so I opened them, and so 3 in here too, a steal. I grabbed me some jute twine, because I am a crafter, so yeah, I needed it. I also grabbed these little Paw Patrol. They had other ones like Blue's Clues and Bluey and all that, but those things don't sell good here, so I just picked up Paw Patrol. And so I picked up 4 of those. I also picked up these water containers that was new to my store. If you go back and watch my walkthrough video, you'll see all the things that was new at my store. But these was new, so I picked up 1 of each. I got so many bottles and tumblers that I don't know what to do with them. Yes, I do. I'm a crafter, and I make baskets, so I know what to do with them. I'm just lying. I have that many. I also picked up, these was the only 2 at my store, at that store. So I picked up the LOL and the Paw Patrol. And these are Chase figurine stamps. Okay? Stamps. So I picked these up because I got a Paw Patrol and an LOL basket that I'm working on. I also picked up this wreath form because I'm going to make my mama a wreath for her door. She painted it. I picked up these potpourri. I'm losing it. I picked up blue and green for Christmas. I'm going to figure out me a little recipe and sell these along with my baskets at Craft Fair. So, yeah, I picked both of them. Here's the red mug I was telling y'all about. So y'all didn't tell a story. Here's the red mug that I picked up. They only had 1, but I want a bunch of these for Christmas time. So I'm going to go back and we only have $2 Tree there, and neither one of them be having anything. None of that good stuff that y'all have, we don't have at our Dollar Tree. I picked up this light right here. Ain't this bright. I love this. You can set it on your porch, or if you have like I use them like for if the power ever go out. You have these lights. I'm telling you another thing that's good if the power ever go out is the solar lights. If you keep them like charged, like take them out one time and bring them back in, like don't pull the thing out, and then when you have a power outage, you just set those around your house. They're good for that. How I know, I done did it before. I also picked up these antibacterial hand wipes in pomegranate and wildberry. I'm gonna go back and get some more of these because they're so cute, and they'll be looking cute in the basket that you might decide to do, or that I might decide to do. So I also picked up these traveling facial cloths. If y'all haven't tried these, get y'all some. They're very soft, and it's 5 of them in there for $1.25. I also picked up this little lantern, just like that little light right there. I saw one in the store. It's bright also, so I'm not going to pull my thing out just yet. But I bought this little lantern, $1.25. I also picked up me some of these soaps. This is Sweet Peon, and this is Cherry Blossom, but they didn't have no bath bombs like Purdy Girl Tasha. I saw it on her video, so I went and tried to find me some, and I found them, and I picked me some up. So thank you, Miss Tasha. Yeah, girl. I also picked up these crayons. I got a bunch of them because I do baskets. So I got Spider-Man. I got a Mickey. These all I had at that store. I'm gonna go to the other one today. LOL. We get late. We be late to the party. The things that y'all got out of y'all get at y'all store, either we don't get them, or when they come, it's only a couple of them. I'll be so angry because y'all be getting some amazing things that never appear at our store. I got another Spider-Man and another LOL. I got some lights that I saw on KOK video, so I went on the hunt for those, and I found them, and I picked up Paw Patrol, a Spider-Man, and another Paw Patrol and a Spider-Man. Yeah, and I also saw these on Cant channel, so I found these, and I picked me up 2 Paw Patrol to add to some baskets. I have a lot of inventory, guys, but I just had to pick them up. If you don't know, every video that I make, that I ever made, you know I have a favorite candy. Well, I have an addiction to Mambas. Any flavor. I love Mambas. And I can eat this bag in no time. So they had some Mambas, and I picked up 4 bags, guys. And I'm down to my last one. That's how much of addiction I have to these things. But if you ain't never tried them, try them. This is an old school candy, and they are amazing. Not a paid advertising. Another thing, if you have back problems, arthritis real bad, get you some of these. As soon as you put them on, the pain is gone, and that's no lie. I've been using them for about 3 or 4 years. I have lupus, and like it's in my joints, SLA lupus, and these are a lifesaver. So every time I see them in the store, I got a bunch of them. So every time I usually pick up 1 or 2 to add to my stockpile. But these lighters, I just thought it was cool, so I picked it up. It's supposed to have red flames. They have green and blue. Smurfette. I had to pick up some Smurfettes for myself. I used to love the Smurfs. I used to come home from school every day and watch them. Papa Smurf, Gargamel, and all the rest of it. I love the Smurfs. So I had to pick up me some Smurfettes. I picked up some of these towels because these were cute, and I think this goes with Paw Patrol. I don't know. But anyway, I picked up that one and that one, and it's gonna go with Paw Patrol if it ain't for it. The last thing I picked, no, it ain't the last thing. Then I picked up me this pencil sharpener because I thought it was so cute. I picked up me this oven mitt because this is the only one they had. And also, I picked up these journals. I'm going to go back and get me some because I like them. But I picked up this bloom right here. I picked up this one that says self-care, and this is a pretty color pink phase down in the purple. I picked up this one that had the little plants on it. This will be a good, like, I'm going to show you. I got an idea of a basket I'm going to make. And then I got this one right here because it was so pretty. So guys, that's the end of my Dollar Tree haul. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking the time out to join me. I'm at 12 minutes. Don't like to make long videos. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and drop down in the comment section and let me know that you've been here so I can come back and do the same and visit your channel and support you because it's all about support. And I hope y'all have a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video right here. I hope you have a blessed one. Until my next video, guys, everybody be blessed.